Hello students, today we are going to learn about arithmetic progression, which is another course of interdisciplinary course. Now what is an arithmetic progression? Let me take an example first, then we will decide, we will go for the actual definition. What is an arithmetic progression? Suppose you have a 1, you have 3, you have 4, you have not 4, sorry, you have 5, you have 7, and so on. So in each of the two consecutive terms, you see the difference between any two consecutive term is same. Okay, same, always same, and that is 2. So the AP, an arithmetic progression, is a sequence like this in which the difference between any two consecutive term is always same. So if we extend this example, so if I write like this, A is any term, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, then this is in AP, because difference between any two consecutive term is A plus n plus 1 D minus A plus ND. This is difference between any two consecutive term, it is equal to D. Okay, so this is in AP. Now you see cautiously that this is your first term, okay, this is your second term, this is your third, this is your fourth, and so on. So if I name those terms, okay, if I name those terms, then T1, term 1 is A, term 2 is A plus D, term 3 is A plus 3D, term 4 is, sorry, this is A plus 2D, okay, A plus 2D, then this is A plus 3D, and so on. So looking carefully, we can say term n is nothing but A plus n minus 1 dash. This is 3, this is 2, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0 simply. Okay, so this is n minus 1 D. So this is the general term of an AP. Okay. Now we can say, sorry, what is the definition? Formal definition of an AP. Now we can understand what is AP. Okay, a sequence A1, A2, A3, AN is said to be in AP. आप लोग वीडियो को पॉज करके डेफिनेशन को लिख सकते हैं. A sequence A1, A2, AN is said to be in AP if the difference between any two consecutive term is same. Okay, so difference between any two consecutive term is same. So we can generate few things. First we know what is the general term. And excuse me for the sound because I cannot help it, we are living in a residential area. So what is the general term? So if this is an AP, this is certainly an AP. Okay, then what is this one? This is called first term. Okay, so this is called first term. And what is this D? D is called common difference. Okay, this D is called common difference, so this is D. Okay, then using A and D, I can define, or I already defined the general term as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So if you know only 3 terms, and or if you know this sequence is in AP, and if you know A and D, you can find any term of the arithmetic progression. Okay, so in the next we shall see. Suppose let me give an example, then we go to the next part. Example, if suppose half, then you can say 3 by 2, then 5 by 2, and so on. Then what is your A? A is half. What is your D? D is 1. Okay, then if I want to find what is the T99 term, here we don't know what is the T99 term, but we will use this formula to obtain T99 term. Okay, what is T99? T99 is nothing but A plus 99 minus 1 D. Okay, so this is half plus 98 into 1, so this is nothing but 98 plus half. Okay, so this is nothing but 2, so this is again 197 divided by 2. Okay, so this is how you will find any term of a arithmetic progression. Fine, now come to some results. Result is adding any constant with the AP, then the resulting sequence is in AP. If you add any constant term or constant quantity to the arithmetic progression and all the terms of arithmetic progression, then the resulting sequence is also in AP. Let us prove this result. You can pause it and write all the proofs, no problem. Let A1, A2, An be in AP, and let C be a constant. Okay, C be a constant. Then adding C with the given AP, what will happen when we add C with the given AP? The resulting sequence will be like this. N plus C and N plus 1 plus C, and so on. So how do you know this is in AP? Now what is An plus 1? This is any general term. Okay, An plus 1 plus C minus An plus C, this is equal to An plus 1 minus An. So you see, this is equal to common difference of the given AP. Okay, so this is the common difference of given AP. So if you subtract any two consecutive term of this AP, then we'll get the common difference of the given AP. Then it at the common difference of given AP is same. Obviously, this is a common difference. It means in the result of any two the result obtained by subtracting any two consecutive term of this AP is same as the common difference of our given AP. It means the common difference of this particular AP is also same. It means this is in AP. It follows that A1 plus C, A2 plus C, A3 plus C is in AP. Same thing you can do for the subtraction, exactly same thing. Okay, number 2, if A1, A2 and is in AP, then CA1, CA2, CA3, CAN is in AP. Means if you multiply a constant quantity to all the terms of an AP, then it remains AP. Okay, so how to prove it? So consider an plus 1 minus C into A1 minus C into an. Okay, subtract any two terms, then this resulting value will be like this. So this is nothing but, I can write it like this, CD, where D is the common difference of given AP. Okay, so this quantity is a constant fixed term. So subtracting any two consecutive number of the AP means this AP is fixed. It means this is in AP. Okay, number 3, if A1, A2, An is in AP, then A1 by C, A2 by C, An by C is also in AP, provided C is not equal to 0. Okay, so इसमें भी पूरा सेम करना है आपको. What you will do, this is An plus 1 by C minus An by C, taking any two consecutive term. If I subtract, then this will be An plus 1 minus An divided by C. This is D by C, which is same for all the cases. So subtracting any two consecutive term, we get a fixed quantity, that is D by C, which is the common difference of our AP of common difference of the sequence obtained by subtracting each term of the sequence by C. So this is what we got. So this is fixed term D by C. It means it is constant. So if I subtract each term of an AP by a constant quantity, then the resulting sequence is also in AP, and the common difference of that AP is D by C, where D is the common difference of the given AP. Okay, so these are the three results. Actually there are four results, and there is a subtraction result for the subtraction, but it is same as the addition, so I have not done this in this video. So write all these things and prepare the note, and in the next video I will discuss about the applications of general term. Okay, thank you.